Hello everybody, my name is Jakit and I'm here to learn you how to use a tool called Keyframe Caddy in CS6 Flash. So first things first, as you can see, we have ourselves a green little, I don't know, looks like a board game piece with muscle-bound arms. And we're going to make him flex. How would you say we're going to do that? Easy. First off, I'm just going to show you that this guy is a symbol. Made of 4 layers. The arms are on their own layers, and the head and body are on separate layers. And as you can see, these arms, they flex in certain frames. But if you were to play it as is, you just have some messed up animation. It wouldn't look very lifelike. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this little thing called Keyframe Caddy, which is a add-on you can get for Flash CS6 off the internet. I'll put a link in the description below. And basically, all you gotta do is load your graphic, and bam! You can choose whichever of those frames in the graphic you want. Then click the picture, and bam! It pops a keyframe of that piece of animation in there. Pretty damn good stuff, I'd say. So, afterwards, all you gotta do is just put that stuff in where you want it, and then go ahead and get drunk. Thumbs up, people! Heck yeah. Well, don't get drunk. I don't drink. But anyway, yeah, it's basically an overview of how you can do stuff with Keyframe Caddy. Anyway, I'm gonna go get some sleep.